Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can make money with Bitcoin, even when the markets are crazy. If you've been wondering if it's still possible to profit from Bitcoin, even with all the volatility, this video is for you. So here's the deal. Making money with Bitcoin has gotten complicated. The prices are constantly bouncing up and down. And let's not even talk about those so-called free Bitcoin promises. They're usually scams. But don't worry, it's still possible to profit from Bitcoin if you know where to look. One way is trading Bitcoin. You buy when the price is low and you sell when the price is high. But don't get too excited. Returns are not guaranteed. If the price falls, you could lose money just as easily as you make it. Another method is simply holding Bitcoin. It's called HODLing in the crypto community. This means buying Bitcoin and holding on to it for the long term. The idea here is that Bitcoin's price will increase over time, just like it did from when it was worth just 9 cents in 2010 to over $100,000 in December 2024. Now, buying and holding is simple enough. You just buy Bitcoin and hold it, hoping the price will go up. But it's important to understand that prices will fluctuate, and you'll have to ride out the ups and downs without selling too early. A good rule is to invest no more than 10% of your portfolio into risky assets like Bitcoin, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Let's talk about another way to make money with Bitcoin, using a crypto credit card. These cards let you earn rewards in Bitcoin for every purchase you make. It's similar to a cashback credit card, but instead of cash, you get Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. With these cards, you earn about 3% back in certain categories, and 1% on general purchases. But keep in mind, your rewards might be reduced by transaction fees or a spread, which is the difference between the market price and the rate the card issuer offers. You can also lend your Bitcoin out to other people or institutions to earn interest. Platforms like these offer returns ranging from 4.5% to 7.25%, but lending isn't without its risks. If the borrower defaults, you could lose your Bitcoin. This is a relatively new field, and in 2022, a lot of platforms stopped offering lending services. So always do your research before you lend your Bitcoin out. Another way to make money with Bitcoin is by accepting payments or tips in Bitcoin. If you run a side hustle or business, you can offer your customers the option to pay you in Bitcoin. Platforms like Coinbase and BitPay make this process pretty easy. It's a great way to have exposure to Bitcoin's price movements, but you also have to be mindful of taxes and fees. Make sure you're using a service that allows you to receive funds directly in Bitcoin. Day trading Bitcoin is another option, but it's definitely the hardest way to make money. You're buying and selling Bitcoin quickly to take advantage of short-term price movements. But just like stock day traders, you're more likely to lose money than make it. The market data just isn't there like it is for stocks, and predicting Bitcoin's price is much more difficult. Plus, keeping track of all your trades for tax purposes can quickly become a nightmare. If you're thinking about getting into day trading or any frequent crypto trading, make sure you have a solid system for tracking your transactions. It's important to be diligent about keeping records. So there you have it, several ways to make money with Bitcoin. Whether it's by holding, trading, lending, using a crypto credit card, or accepting payments, there's a way for everyone to get involved. Just remember, Bitcoin is volatile. The price could go up or down at any moment, so always be prepared. And, as always, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make money with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Drop your questions in the comments.